Meet our second generation WGP smart audio glasses, built with advanced true wireless stereo and a magnetic modular design tailored to your daily outfits and styles. Now imagine a pair of audio temples that fits all kinds of frames. Well, we made it a reality. Square, round, perhaps a sleek metallic frame? Don't worry, we've got you covered. The integrated body induction sensors allow the glasses to automatically power on and connect to your phone within 3 seconds.
Connected.
Empowered with advanced AAC speakers and our exclusive audio processing system, the eyewear delivers a fuller and deeper musical experience. Safely immerse into your music while walking down the street. The open-ear audio lets you stay aware and interact with your surroundings. All functions are just a tap or swipe away. 4 quick taps on the temple brings up your phone's virtual assistant.
Where's the nearest gas station?
The nearest one I found is Sepson.
The lens's nanotechnology coating protects your eyes and enhances your vision. Let's say Emma finds herself taking a call inside a crowded elevator.
Hey Vicky, what's up?
Hey sis, I just realized I accidentally wore your underwear.
Feeling awkward yet? Well, crisis averted. The easily attached comfy pads gives you extra privacy, so at least half of your secret is safe. We're tipping our hats to all gamers with an exclusive game mode, reducing audio interface latency down to 50 milliseconds. Our anti-blue light lenses will mitigate the screen's harmful blue light. Stay active and connected with the Bluetooth 5.0's incredible range of up to 10 meters.
Hello?
Hey Paul, we're meeting at Annie's at 8.
Alright, see you later.
The sports frame comes along with an anti-drop strap. Engineered for athletes, the TAC polarized lenses provide superior visual and polarization clarity. Attributes from lens shape to protective coating keep you cool and confident at any speed. The glasses are ergonomic and durable with an IP67 waterproof rating, as well as lenses that are anti-fouling and scratch resistant. You can calmly go about your day without fear of the battery dying. 7 hours playback runtime, 5 hours talk time, and up to 5 days on standby, ensuring multi-day usage between charges. The smart glasses will automatically turn off after 3 minutes of inactivity.
Power on.
You might need many hours to recharge, but your glasses have a magnetic 2-hour fast charge. One might say that this is a magnificent end to the day.